Dad Random, and I am sitting here with my truck, and I am filming right now with a Insta360 360, the Insta360. And let me tell you something, it is so handy when you don't have all your other stuff that you want to get out. A little bit bright right now. It's summer has come, but we did a little bit of freaking freestyle, just buzzing around. There's really not much to fly like in or around except for in the gullies and washes down there. So anyway, later, bye. Dad Random. Gotta get to my live stream, man. Gotta go stream. People are waiting for me to stream.